Did you know that achieving lasting wellness is more about mindset than deprivation? It's not just about cutting out your favorite foods or spending hours at the gym. It's about finding balance and harmony in your daily life. It's about embracing a journey, not enduring a diet. Wellness is a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. It's about making choices that make you feel good, both physically and mentally. It's about celebrating small victories and learning from setbacks. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step worth celebrating. Whether it's choosing a nutritious meal, completing a workout, or simply taking a moment to breathe and reflect. Are you ready to unlock the secret to sustainable change? It's about creating habits that you can maintain for a lifetime, not just for a few weeks or months. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. This isn't about quick fixes or extreme measures. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. It's about listening to your body and giving it what it needs to thrive. This is about creating a lifestyle you love, one that nourishes your body and soul. It's about finding joy in the process and making wellness a part of your everyday life. It's about feeling energized, confident, and radiantly healthy. When you focus on wellness, you start to feel better in every aspect of your life. You have more energy, more confidence, and a greater sense of well-being. Are you ready to discover your own personal path to wellness? It's a journey that's unique to you, and it's one that's worth taking. Start today and see where it leads you. Imagine this: waking up excited to move your body, craving nourishing foods, and feeling a sense of purpose as you start your day. Picture yourself preparing a vibrant, healthy smoothie or a colorful salad filled with fresh vegetables and feeling proud of the choices you make. Envision joining a fitness class with friends, hiking through nature, or achieving a personal fitness goal and celebrating that victory. This isn't a fantasy. It's the power of romanticizing your wellness journey. Romanticizing isn't about ignoring the hard work. It's about shifting your perspective to see the beauty in the effort. It's about finding joy in the process, celebrating every milestone, no matter how small, and recognizing the progress you make each day. Treating yourself with kindness along the way is crucial. Whether it's a face mask, a relaxing bath, or a healthy treat, these moments of self-care are essential. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that feels like a gift, not a punishment. A lifestyle where you look forward to each day, where exercise and healthy eating become enjoyable parts of your routine. By setting realistic goals and celebrating your achievements, you build a positive relationship with your wellness journey. It's about the joy of progress, the satisfaction of effort, and the happiness that comes from taking care of yourself. So, embrace the journey, find joy in the little things, and remember that every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. This is your secret weapon, the power of romanticizing your wellness journey. Let's get practical. Start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet: fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients and energy to fuel your body. Next, find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, or swimming. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Remember, consistency is key. Confidence comes from within, but taking care of your physical health can have a powerful impact on how you feel about yourself. When you feel strong and healthy, you naturally radiate confidence. But true confidence goes beyond physical appearance. It's about setting goals and crushing them, challenging yourself and embracing growth. It's about practicing self-care, nourishing your mind and body, and celebrating all the amazing things that make you uniquely you. Section 5. Beyond the scale. True health matters. Remember, wellness is about so much more than just the number on the scale. It's about having energy, feeling good in your own skin, and living a vibrant life. Focus on how you feel. Are you sleeping better? Do you have more energy? Are you managing stress more effectively? These are all signs that you're moving in the right direction. Celebrate these non-scale victories. Section 6. Actionable steps. Start your journey today. You don't have to overhaul your entire life overnight. Start small. Begin with simple changes that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Choose one healthy habit to focus on this week, such as drinking more water or taking a short walk each day. Then add another the next. Gradually, these small changes will build up to create a healthier lifestyle. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Write down your goals, no matter how big or small they may seem. Break them down into manageable steps and track your progress. Use tools like journals, planners, or fitness apps to keep yourself accountable. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Share your journey with friends and family, and encourage each other to stay on track. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts today. Section 7. Wellness and happiness, the powerful connection. When you prioritize your well-being, you're not just improving your physical health, you're investing in your overall happiness. Taking care of yourself allows you to show up as the best version of yourself in all areas of your life. Imagine having the energy to pursue your passions, the confidence to chase your dreams, and the vitality to live life to the fullest. That's the power of wellness. Section 8. You are capable. Embrace the challenge. This journey won't always be easy. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember, you are stronger than you think. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or a wellness coach. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Section 9. Your time is now. Start living your best life. You deserve to feel your best. You deserve to live a life filled with energy, vitality, and joy. Don't wait for the perfect time to start your wellness journey. The perfect time is now. Take that first step today. Embrace the journey, celebrate every victory, and never give up on yourself. You've got this.